Hi guys, this is Anoki
And I'm Prashant.
and we're here for the Better Halves couple quiz.
So basically, she had mentioned her job as creative writer for Khata Book. So and that time Dhoni's ad had come out. So I had asked, hey, were you part of the team which did Dhoni's ad? She said no, but I was like, oh, I wanted to really congratulate you. You did a great job. So I started with that particular context.
Well, Dhoni worked for me. Yes. Thank God.
I think I had gone to pick her up, and I took my bike, and she was there wearing a black dress,
Yeah.
and she was kind of surprised that I came to pick her up. I think.
Yeah, I mean, I come from Bombay. So in Bombay, people don't, in their dating culture, they don't have this pick me up thing and that chivalry sort of a thing. So I was taken aback when he actually asked me that, I'll pick you up, and he actually did. So I was pretty shocked. So I was wearing like this jeans and as fancy as I could be, and then I see he's wearing a t-shirt and a jacket with a bike, and I was like, this is it, best date ever. Well, context with that, we both kind of knew on the very first date itself that this is going to last for a long time. But obviously, bad decisions in the past, so we were not sure about it. But I think within 3 or 4 days, we just knew that we don't want to be anywhere else, and this is just everything. And we've been meeting each other almost every day after that, apart from the few times that we went home. And yeah, that's been about it.
What she said.
I have a serious problem of laughing when people fall down. So if there's any road accident or whatever, I'll help them out, but I'll also laugh. So that's weird, I know, but. I think all these questions were designed for me.
Not that she's late, but she's kind of chilled out about everything. Whereas
Wow.
I'm more, tensed about.
I want to put that on a t-shirt. I'm not late, I'm just chilled out. Well, yeah.
We do everything together.
Yeah, that's true.
She does initiate it though.
No, like for example, given we both are Bengalis and we wanted to have a good home cooked meal, so we were alone this Diwali because lockdown. So I cooked a prawn curry and he helped me with the rice and stuff. So we try to make it as equal as possible and distribute the work. So that's one thing that kind of helps us out both in this situation.
So I started Better Half basically when my mom said that now is the time to get married, and she started listing down matrimonials from me from the newspaper, and I was like, I didn't want to get married in that way. I really wanted to know the person well and understand what they are instead of going through the arranged marriage route. So I said to my mom that, hey, I'll find a bride myself, and yeah, that's the day I downloaded Better Half, and surprisingly, that's the day I found her as well.
My first perception about Prashant, it's a funny story because the first day that we connected, we spoke. I think we had that conversation like we already know each other for ages, and we talked about our dreams and hopes and what our career goals are and ambition and life and everything. And then all of a sudden, like, something happened, life happened, and we didn't speak for a few months after that. Cut to when we both land in Bangalore at the same date, same time, all that stuff. And then we just started talking again, and like, my first impression, then I was actually angry that, oh, why didn't he talk to me and stuff like that. I thought we had a great connection, but I think the time we went on for the first date, I think everything was just, again, it's like we've known each other for ages. Conversations were really smooth, and by that time, I mean, he told me that he wanted to open a restaurant, and by, I don't know, in 2 months, he just magically did open a restaurant, and he was like, oh, you know, I have shawarmas and stuff, and I'm like, great food. So that kind of bonded us over. Yet the perception about him, yeah, like, first I was a bit angry that why isn't he speaking to me, there's a great connection, and you know how it happens, all men are like this and stuff. And then later on, it just was magical as it is right now. And this was a super fun session. We had a lot of fun. And kudos to the team at Better Half. They've always been so kind and so nice about everything. So all the best, Better Half, and I hope a lot of people find their better halves on it.